Pennies from heaven, don't make me laugh. Here all you'll get's the pattering rain. Or yon two crows up over the hill, looking for winter kill. Always at your boots, the mud behind the byre, with its clammy home, and muck you up grave here in the mire of a wrecked sheep foam. And all you bring to this is muscle and grit, persistence, that's just about it. What made you think there'd be a living in sheep? Eat, work and sleep. Duck under the eaves of the bothy, sit here caged by rain. Somewhere to go, conjure a next move when I have to think again. The dog lifts his gaze to plead, believes the wizard has a magic stick, leans his weight into my tweed. I give an unholy hand to lick. Take a swig of sheep dip from my flask. Once again I ask, what made you think there'd be a living in sheep? Eat, work and sleep. We were at this game 200 years ago. 30 ways of dying young, poor souls, laid to rest in their soggy robes, rain on their holy books. Blood and whiskey on the tongue, no one watching over anyone, no one left but your stubborn one and the crows and rooks. Ah, the dying young, well, I'm not done. You watch me and I'll watch thee. I'll still work for 2 men and drink for 3. I raise my flask to the clearing skies, to you sweepers you carrying spies, to scavenge and survive. If you can do it, so can I.